Us valve guys, we're trying to keep the oil in the pipe. They are basically our family when it comes down to it. And that's probably my favorite thing.
I'm the shops team supervisor here in Fairbanks. I oversee 18 individuals there, and we service, maintain over 150 valves here on the pipeline from Pump Station 1 to Valdez.
Yeah, it's like never a dull moment.
You get to go everywhere, you get to see everything, keeps you busy, and it also challenges you.
I definitely appreciate the team's experience, professionalism, their drive, and that's something that's needed here at the shops team, is to get up and take care of business there. Kevin Kangas and Louis Carlo, they're very effective, efficient on everything they do. They both keep our pipeline safe.
He came in as an intern and he worked with me.
At the same time, I was up at university getting my process tech degree.
He found his way as a mechanic for the shops team there, and he's growing every day.
He's got like a quiet confidence about him.
Louis, he goes out and he does a really good job. You don't have to ask him to do something again, he knows how to do it right, and that is the truth.
Kevin, yeah, he's just a wealth of information. He knows just about every valve out there. There's other types of valves on valves, and he knows what other types there are at each location.
Kevin Kangas is a guy that's just going to take charge. He's been here so long. He recalls a lot of stuff from way back when and little details.
Louis and Kevin, they complement each other in two different personalities, and I think they make a remarkable team.
We both got strength. Like me, I do. I run a lot of the lathe and mills over there and grinders, and he's really good on computers. I'm not. We call them high tech and low tech.
They set the standard, they set the bar, and they break their bar every year.
I've known Kevin forever,
We don't even have to say anything. We kind of know what needs to be done, and it works out really well. I'm with him more than I am with my wife. I'm 12 hours a day, 14 days. And
I've always enjoyed the 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off job. Very used to that, and my family is too.
I'm not at work. I like the snow machine. I fly airplanes. I like to fish, hunt. I like to do barbecues and stuff like that. I can afford it. I got the time to do it.
Being part of this team with all the other native members of the crew is great, because we have known each other prior to this, and we have friendships, and we're all pretty much related one way, shape, or form.
There's probably about half a dozen of us from Ruby, and then I got a cousin and a sister here at TEPS.
My favorite is going out to our asset at Pump 8, because my dad was a supervisor there when I was born, and so I see his facility, and then I'm out working there and stuff like that, and it's just like a connection point we have.
I got a lot of cousins out here. Like Louis is my cousin, his brothers are my cousin, and Kevin, we grew up together. I remember him when I was a kid. It makes me proud to see we all grew up on the same dirt roads out in the village, and we're here working together now.
Alyeska and the Alaska Native program have worked together and providing needed support. A handful of my technicians here at the shops team, they have training to compete with our growing industry.
The internships, the Alaska Native program did, that really helped me get through school and stuff, yeah. That was my foot in the door, I'm here, I got 15 years in.
Louis is a prime example of success. He's come through the internship, hired in as a technician here, and now he's taken the next step into valve mechanic.
It's beneficial for me and the company, I think. If I could go do my job better with that training, I think it's good for both sides,
When you're first getting your knowledge base and want to go out into the field professionally, this is a great place, because they're willing to put an investment in you.
I'd love to see kids going out and trying. It's a big, scary world when you leave the village, but man, the opportunity's there.
Yeah, I guess I am getting to that age where I need to start teaching other people,
If they come to TAPS, I'm gonna try my darndest to help you succeed.
I think we have the specific support to continue the integrity of the pipeline for our goal in another 50 years. It's very important for our community and our families and the future of our pipeline and our future of Alaska.